What is up, guys? Today we're doing a very short tutorial where I will show you how to basically do a click listener on a recycler view without using the traditional way of an interface, implementing that interface and overriding that whole class. Lots of boilercode over there. So let's jump straight to it. So basically this is what we've been doing over the years in Android. Actually, that's what I have been doing over the years in Android. And basically the straight thing to basically listen on a click item on recyclerView. We have our interface over here. Then in news adapter, we are passing that interface as a constructor to this news adapter. Then we go to our view model where we also implement the on click listener. Then we override this function over here, which is the on click, by passing the on click listener item from the news adapters constructor, passing it over here, right? Then calling the dots click item from the interface class function, then passing whatever value you want to pass on to the main activity or a fragment in any of the cases that you actually want, right? So in our main activity, nothing much is really going on over here. We basically have a list, right? And these items add into a list, passing it to the recycler view, and also implementing the interface coming from the news adapter, which is this guy over here, then overriding the class over here by using a toast. So basically when you click on it, it toasts basically shows over here. So this is basically straightforward thing that we've been doing in Android. And recently I actually saw an article which uses lambda functions to listen to the on-click items on the recycler view. Yeah, let's actually go straight into it. So it's actually very simple. You basically have your news adapter, right? Then you'd actually use a lambda function over here, right? So you pass a lambda function as a constructor to the news adapter. So let's say news listener or news, maybe let's do it on, no, there's actually on click item over here. So let's do it news listener, right? And this news listener, sorry, private file, which takes in a variable. So with the higher order function, we actually do this whereby we pass in a string, right, and return a unit, which is void, right? So basically what this is happening is this higher order function will take in a string, then need to return a void, right? Then we basically come over here. So in our item view dot root item, when we do the click listener, we basically want to invoke this lambda function over here. So it's news listener dot invoke, and we pass in the string that we want to listen to. So when you click on it, it's basically getting the title. So we want the title. I'm very lazy to be typing, and I'm just copy and paste. So what basically happens is when you click, when this is clicked, it invokes this lambda function, right? Then we will now pass it to the main activity where the toast actually do happen, right? One thing I like about lambda function is if it's actually the last item, right? So if it's the last constructor, right, in the class that you're actually calling from, you can actually do it like this. There's a term for it, but I think I've forgotten the name for it. So the string that is actually coming, right, in this string, that string is basically this item right over here, the parameter over here. And the good thing is this parameter has been invoked to pass in this string to as well. So when you click on the item, that string would be passed to the constructor. Then since we are calling it over here, you can basically get that item over here too as well. So let's do that very quick. Then we just pass in the it, Yes, so basically that's it. So we can remove all these codes that we had over here, or boiler codes now. We don't need this guy again. Let me format this guy very well. Yeah, then we also don't need this guy anymore. Don't need this guy, don't need this guy, and actually don't need the interface too as well. Let's check the error value. We also don't need this too as well. Yeah, so basically that's all that I think I have the battery. Sorry for that. Let's just run in that. So basically we've cleaned up the code, make it very straightforward and understanding. Yeah, so basically this what I was talking about. I'll link the article in the description for further explanation. Yeah, but let's run and see how it goes. Basically when you click on it, yeah, there's what the river shows.